Alright, this video is coming out a few days late. Haven't had time to edit, but earlier this week we had Hurricane Beryl come through, so we just wanted to test out the fishing, see if the rumors were true that the fishing was going to suck after the hurricane. And I'm pleased to report that at least our experience was that the fishing was great. We were catching a lot of bass and a lot of bait and some bigger bluegill as well, so it was just kind of a fun time. So let's see what this bait can catch us. Notice I put a popping cork on that pole. I've been having some really good luck with it for catching bass on live bait. Well, now we got a bass, so that's better than the bait fish. So all these bluegill in the water. I saw his tail sticking out underneath the dock. So I threw it right in front of him and he grabbed it. Time to let him go. There he goes. Holy crud. Alright, well I got a bass here. And my bobber's gone completely over there. Let's see what happens. Let this one go real quick and mess with that other one. Okay, got a fish there. Gonna let this one go. We will see what happens. This video takes place over 3 days, and this part is day 1, which is the day after we had the hurricane rains come through. Here I had a fish on that kept tugging me into the grass, and unfortunately I ended up losing him and just hauling in a bunch of grass. Just look at that beauty. Well, we lost it, but we got more bait on there and recasted, so see how it goes. Well, I was going for some more bait, but got a tiny little bass, so look at that sucker. Toss him back. More bait. So far it's a seaweed fish, but that can't be right. More and more bait. Look at that bruiser biting off more than he can chew. Crazy. Look at that panfish. That ugly forehead on him, that is cool. This is decent sized bass number 3. Nice. Well done.
Whoa.
Now that would be a fish right there. Come over here to my big 6-inch bluegill over here. Well, we're about done. We got 2 bobbers still out there, but we are kind of wrapping up. Sun has gone down. It's time to call it a day. So caught a bluegill on a piece of corn. Fish. For all of your lip piercing services, visit Elijah Emmons, 1999. Ooh. Sweet. Well, that makes 2 in a row on that exact same spot, so I'm happy with that. Nice. Both of them were caught on this setup right here. Kind of messed it up some, but it's a big old hook. Little wiggler on there. Bass number 3 on the books. It's no more than 2 1/4 at most. All right, bass number 3. I'm guessing about 2 1/4. I could weigh him, but it takes forever. I'm just here to release, so let's let him go. I like catching him over there and releasing over here. The big one never fights like the small ones. Oh, gotcha. Not bad. This sunfish has got some cool colors on it. Nice seeing you, my friend. See that bass? Let's get this out of the way. See that bass right there? Well, that's it. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you want to see more of next time. And also, if you were around this hurricane, let me know what the fishing conditions were like. Afterwards, I'm curious to see what everyone's experience was. Good luck and go out there and catch some fish.